Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to enter About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Now let's localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now after seeing this information, we can go back to the general list of the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find developer options. And here we have to scroll down again a little to find the option Automatic System Updates. If you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. And of course, whenever the update is available. Of course, if you wish, you can turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.